Hi guys. How you doing, guys?
Hi, Mom.
Go ahead, say it. Say hi, Mom, and wave. There you go.
I'd like to know who's going to yell out in different parts of the world. When I yell your country, make some noise. Well, we're going to know who you are. Sorry, mate, I interrupted you on the phone. Sorry about that, mate. Okay, who's all the way from Canada? Okay, there's 4 Canadian. Who's all the way from USA? Americans. People are here as well. Who's all the way from the UK? Okay. This might be like a suggestion, but all those from the UK want to come and sit over here. See if the sun stays out. You have to get a tan. Alright, come on. One of you, not all of you, come understand. Where are you guys from? Argentina! Welcome to the Argentina now. Hello, who's all the way from Japan? Let's go a bit closer to home then. Who's all the way from New Zealand? Hey, thank you very much. Last but not least, who's all the way from Australia? Hang on. I swear I heard you Kiwis yell out a second time. Now, on the count of 3, whether you're from Australia to Argentina, I want you to shout your country. I'm going to listen out for the loudest, proudest country here today. Are you ready? Move your arms. Let's see where you're from. 3, 2, 1. Very, very close call this morning, but the winner is Japan. Yeah, we give them a clap. I don't like to get myself today. I'm joking. Hey, speaking of winning stuff, who wants free stuff? Yeah, okay, we can't give everyone free stuff, can we, JP? Alright, we're going to put the audience down in the new folks. You group number 2, and you guys, group number 1. Now, Australia is very famous for having lots of different kinds of animals. Exactly. Please welcome to the Crocodile. Hey, it's one elephant. Hello, sweetheart. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Oh, look at that. That's love. Now, two groups. Because we're famous for animals, I'm going to ask you your help to choose an animal for an animal impersonation competition. What do you think? What are you going to choose for group number 1? Anything at all? Choose humanities. Okay? Any sort of primate. Orangutan, gorilla, chimpanzee. The key is, fellas, if you've got a hairy chest, get it out, give us a look. Ladies, if you've got a hairy chest, get it out, give us a look. Let's do the chicky monkeys. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Now, looking at you, what do you do? Stand out over the side? No? Do we make them do it again? Yeah! What do you think? If you want to win the prize, you've got to stand out from the crowd. Let's go. Hardcore monkeys. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, now wait for gorillas, chimpanzees. Oh, this is exciting. How about I give them a clap? Not a bad start to the audience impersonation. I knew it. Young lady on the top here, who's got a t-shirt with a white cutting. Stand up, it's a big wave! Now, pink is Floyd's favourite colour, but you were also the winner today. You got the big swing for the prize. One more time. Monkeys, 3, 2, 1, go! Give her a clap. We're going to send you one more. Alright. Group number 2. That's you folks including our VIPs. I just sit underwhelmed by that. So I thought that'd go on like a prize. So this time, I want you to get creative. I'm looking out for your favourite animal. That could be anything at all. For example, Chloe Williams, sweetheart. She's going to do the Hawking kangaroo, the mud crab, the crocodile. That's something that's choice. Starfish, maybe that's an easy one. Or, my personal favourite, without a doubt, has to be the elephant. The elephant's probably a little bit inappropriate, but you use your imagination. Let's see your favourite animals. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, let's go 20 Argentinian crocodiles. I think that was a penguin. Keep going. How many people would have pointed?
Are you stuck?
Yes? red jumper sitting inside a gentleman in a green jumper. That's you there. Give me a little wave. There you go. Stand up forward. It's not too much trouble. You're on the big screen. How would you like to perform to the world and penguin for the prize? Yeah? Happy feet. Give her a clap. Give yourself a prize. Compliments. Oh, this way. Alright, before we bring out the wildlife, each of the strangers in the village, we'd like to find out which side of the prophecy could shout Steve's favourite word aloud. Is that what it was?
Crikey!
Number one, you're up first. On your feet if you can stand. Thumbs in the air. Let's do a loud crack fight for the stick on. On 3, 2, 1. Okay, number two, turn the feet on your feet.
Oye, en vez de ya.
On 3, 2, 1. Unfortunately, I am going to have to ask you, including the Argentinian small league. No? Oh, okay. In that case, who thinks I should shut up and bring out some wildlife? Take a look at the big screen and enjoy Wildlife Warriors. See you folks.
Can we please have your attention? The following show is rated LB A Little Beauty and will be performed by highly trained professionals. Parents, please be advised that there will be a strong conservation message, occasional humour, and a natural feeling of wanting to make a difference by the end of this show. We ask, if you enjoy today's show, please tell everyone you know. If you don't enjoy the show, please keep it to yourself. Now sit back and enjoy Australia Zoo's Wildlife Warriors.
Come with me. Share it with me. Share my wildlife with me. Because humans want to say things that they love. My job, my mission, the reason I've been put onto this planet is to save wildlife. And I thank you for coming with me. Yeah, let's get it.
G'day and welcome to Wildlife Warrior. My name is Nina and this is Nina the Hedgehog Stand-Down. I'm Nina, welcome everyone. Please join us to get closer to wildlife. So, please put your hands together for Cyan, Sabu, Little Bimbo, all the way from Elementasia, and a big hello to our Elven team. Alright, now, if you want to get your hands up again, that is when you start to love them. And that is when you want to protect them. And today, we wanted to fall in love with all of our wildlife and then help us